Hello YouTube. This is an ocean view stateroom on the Norwegian Cruise Line Encore. Built a few years ago, but there's no real videos on ocean view. This is 5732, which has a connecting room, but we don't know those people, so we can't go in. Start off with the bathroom. Shower. Shower comes with soap and shampoo conditioner. All the way up there, it's got a hanging bar, some toiletries, toilet, plenty of room. I'm a big guy, as you can see. Plenty of room for me. All right, don't mind the mess. There's plenty of storage for clothes and a safe. Good. 2 beds which can join together. This one only sleeps 2. They can sleep up to 4. There's TV. More storage down there. More storage up here. Nice little painting. It's got plugs, USB. Not the new one, but the old one. Mine is a little adapter, so it works perfectly fine. And this is the ocean view. We're trucking along out of Miami, going to Dominican Republic now. What's good about that is it also doubles as a little storage cubicle for little whatnots. Right? Sleeps 2, remote control, big mirror, got a, don't call it a fridge because it's actually a cooler, and it's got 1, 2, 3 United States outlets. Looks like a European in the back there. Phone. And I will tell you, this is plenty of room for 2 people. And if you have a small kid and they have the bunks, it's usually on the side, plenty of room for them too. Lots of storage space and place to walk around. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.